Almost all my life they told me that I couldn't. Dreaming every night they told me that I shouldn't. Told me that I should've quit, that I'll never finish it, that I'll never reach the top and no one knows that I exist. But I kept climbing, kept grinding every day, and I kept writing everything I had to say. Now they wanna shut me up, shut me in, shut me out. Yeah, I'd be mad too if someone made me shut my mouth. But it's different when you never had a voice, when no one ever listened, so you never had a choice. Never had a path, only people in your way. Never had a mask or a reason to be fake. All you had was you and a reason to succeed. All you had to do was keep believing in the dream. All you ever knew was being weak and on your knees. But you're only gonna lose if you don't learn from your defeats. Yeah, gotta make the world know my name. I've got my head in the clouds, my feet on the ground, I'm standing with my head in the clouds, never looking down. Yeah, I'll never stop until the world knows my name. I wish I could go back when we were kids, when everything had passion, with everything we did. Everything was honest, everything that we were promising. The thought of what we wanted is what makes it so ironic that it's different than the shit that we were told. How the rules were written, how the story really goes. Everyone's your friend, give everyone a chance, so everyone pretends that they really give a damn. Man, fuck that, nothing's ever what it seems. People stepping over people, people preying on the weak, cause it's business, and we're feeding the machine. Time is money, money's living, so we live with the disease. What happened to the magic, what happened to the thrill? What happened to the passion, the way we used to feel? All we see is fashion, fame and dollar bills, and now I'm looking back, I wish the world was always real. I've got my head in the clouds, my feet on the ground. Yeah, I'm standing out and I am not afraid. With my head in the clouds, never looking down. Yeah, I'll never stop until the world knows my name. I woke up one day with the world outside telling me I should walk away, but I can't, I won't break. That's how I know it, everything will be okay. I woke up one day with the world outside telling me I should walk away, but I can't, I won't break. That's how I know that everything will be okay. I woke up one day with the world outside telling me I should walk away, but I can't, I won't break. I gotta make the world know my name. I've got my head in the clouds, my feet on the ground. Yeah, I'm standing out and I am not afraid. With my head in the clouds, never looking down. Yeah, I'll never stop until the world knows my name. I woke up one day with the world outside telling me I should walk away, but I can't, I won't break. I'll make the world know my name. I woke up one day with the world outside telling me I should walk away, but I can't, I won't break. I'll make the world know my name. I thought you would be around forever, no matter where I would go. So I started taking you for granted, forgot what I used to know. Guess I sold my soul just to have some fun. Think I lost myself trying to be someone. I gave you the blame, looked the other way. Never thought it would drive you away. If I could turn back time and change my life, get another chance to make things right. If I had one more word to say to you, I'd let you know I want you to stay, 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 stay. I have learned a lesson of a life.
myself again. I forgot the things that really matter and lost it all in the end. Never told the truth, kept it all inside. Got you thinking there's something I'm trying to hide. Knew I needed change, but I stayed the same. Never thought it would drive you away. If I could turn back time and change my life, get another chance to make things right. If I had one more word to say to you, I'd let you know I want you to stay, stay. Thought you would be around forever, no matter where I would go. If I could turn back time and change my life, get another chance to make things right. If I had one more word to say to you, I'd let you know I want you to stay, 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 stay. I want you to stay, 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 stay.
Hållas i Jämmerdalen, i slutet av augusti. Det var det år där just slutet av augusti. Det regnade varenda dag. Sen växte man väl upp och blev äldre. Ja, man har ju inga annat val. Men ända sen den första dagen så har man av slentrian släntrat ner i en Jämmerdag. Så det är lika bra att sluta drömma. Det går åt helvete i alla fall. För om man drömmer om Paris hamnar man på något vis lik förbannat i huvudet. I sin ungdom hade man väl fantasier. Ja, det var ju ungdomssynder man begick. Man trodde på jämlikhet och på solidaritet. Men nu har man en bättre överblick. Nu är man väl fan i politiken och låter folk få tycka vad de vill. För inte är det någon mening med att slåss i någon förening. Nej, det tjänar ändå ingenting till. Så det är lika bra att sluta drömma. Det går åt helvete i alla fall. För om man drömmer om Paris hamnar man på något vis lik förbannad i Hudiksvall. Så småningom så börjar slaven stiga och man sökte sig en livskamrat. Någon som uppfyller ens normer, någon med Dolly Partons former och Tore Wretmans kunnande i mat. Inte fasen blev det som man tänkte då när man var 17-18 för. Nu i efterhand så vet man hon ser ut som Tore Wretman och lagar mat som Dolly Parton gör. Så det är lika bra att sluta drömma. Det går åt helvete i alla fall. För om man drömmer om Paris hamnar man på något vis inte vannar i Hudiksvall. Nu står man mellan vaggan och graven, medelålders och med övervikt. Det Det är klart man har planerat att börja motionera, fast givetvis på lite längre sikt. Och man drömmer om en ny och fin Mercedes och ett sommarhus i Portugal. Men man får en gammal Skoda med trasig växellåda och en prickig motor i samma. Så det är lika bra att sluta drömma. Det går åt helvete i alla fall. För om man drömmer om Paris samlar man på något vis lik förbannad i Hudiksvall.
Feels like I'm burning when you look around and smile at me. Feels like I'm burning, burning. You are forbidden and it makes me want you even more. Feels like I'm burning, burning. I know it's just a thing in my head, head. It's haunting me till the very end. I wanna take you for a ride. You'll be Bonnie, I'll be Clyde. Two criminals on the run, but they won't hunt us down. Don't care about every law we break and the trouble that we'll make. There's nothing I wouldn't do as long as I can do you. I'll do anything to take a ride with you. I just wanna ride with you. Together we could be the normal in a misfit world. You match my crazy, crazy. I know you're dangerous, it's only making me feel sane. You match my crazy, crazy. The thoughts are spinning around in my head, head. All day all night till the very end, end. I wanna take you for a ride. You'll be Bonnie, I'll be Clyde. Two criminals on the run, but they won't hunt us down. Don't care about every law we break and the trouble that we'll make. There's nothing I wouldn't do as long as I can do you. I'll do anything to take a ride with you. I just wanna ride with you. I'll do anything to take a ride with you. Oh, sometimes I think about what I'll become. Maybe it's 'cause I've never found